Have you heard the one about solar farms causing tornadoes? It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but some people actually believe it. Across the internet, you can find claims that renewable energy sources are causing more extreme weather. This is simply not true. These fears stem from a misunderstanding of how weather works. Tornadoes, hurricanes, and thunderstorms are powerful forces of nature. They are driven by complex atmospheric conditions that develop over vast areas. To blame these events on solar farms or wind turbines is like blaming a butterfly flapping its wings for a hurricane. The scale of energy involved is completely different. In the following sections, we'll debunk this myth with scientific facts and a healthy dose of common sense. Let's explore the fascinating world of weather and understand why renewable energy sources are not the villains they are made out to be. To understand why the idea of solar farms causing tornadoes is absurd, we need to understand how tornadoes form. Tornadoes are born from powerful thunderstorms called supercells. These storms occur when warm, moist air collides with cold, dry air. This clash of air masses creates an unstable atmosphere. The warm air rises rapidly, creating an updraft. If the wind shear is strong enough, meaning the wind speed and direction change with height, the updraft can begin to rotate, forming a funnel cloud. Where do solar farms fit into all of this? Nowhere. Solar farms absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity. They do not have the power to influence the large-scale atmospheric conditions that cause tornadoes. Tornadoes are a natural phenomenon, and their frequency and intensity are influenced by factors like climate change, not solar panels. One misconception is that solar farms heat the air significantly, contributing to the formation of tornadoes. While it's true that solar panels absorb sunlight and convert it into electricity, the amount of heat generated is localized and insignificant compared to the vast energy required to influence weather patterns. Think of it this way. A parking lot full of cars on a sunny day absorbs more solar radiation and generates more heat than a solar farm of the same size. Yet, we don't see parking lots spawning tornadoes. The idea that solar farms are giant microwave ovens cooking up storms is simply not supported by science. The Earth's atmosphere is incredibly vast and complex, and the amount of heat generated by solar farms is a drop in the ocean compared to the natural forces at play. Section 4. Wind turbines. Energy, not storms. Similar unfounded fears surround wind turbines. Some claim that wind turbines, by harnessing wind energy, disrupt natural wind patterns and contribute to extreme weather events. While wind turbines do extract energy from the wind, their impact on large-scale weather patterns is negligible. Wind turbines interact with the layer of air closest to the ground. Weather patterns, including those that cause extreme events, are driven by forces far above the reach of wind turbines. The jet stream, for example, flows at altitudes of 5 to 9 miles above the Earth's surface, far above the reach of even the tallest wind turbines. Section 5. Trust science, not sensationalism. In our information-saturated age, it's easier than ever to encounter misinformation. The internet is awash with sensationalized claims, and it can be difficult to separate fact from fiction. When it comes to important issues like climate change and renewable energy, it's crucial to rely on credible sources of information. The National Renewable Energy Laboratory, a government-funded laboratory dedicated to renewable energy research, has conducted extensive studies on the environmental impact of solar and wind energy. Their findings consistently show that these technologies have minimal impact on weather patterns. So the next time you come across a headline claiming that solar farms cause tornadoes or wind turbines spawn hurricanes, remember to approach it with a healthy dose of skepticism. Trust scientific evidence over social media claims, and base your understanding on facts, not fear.